Steven Lodano on the ball.
Did I get that one right?
That you did.
Oh!
Yes! Okay!
Goal for the Knights.
All right, here we go. Come on.
7.
Okay, Brandon.
2.
All right, now y'all need to wake up.
Brandon Amon with the goal.
Okay.
This is what they did last game. They held them all the way to the on the first half,
Really?
and then they lost it in the second.
Wow.
Yeah. I'm surprised they only got 2 on the bench.
Come on, Bray, put it, put it. Yeah! Yeah! Okay.
Wait a talk. Oh, that was nice.
Hey, okay!
Oh,
Okay!
That number 7?
2.
2.
Yeah.
Number 2, Brandon Amon.
Oh, we going home early today.